First, select Products and Items. Then, select Reasons. To add a new tax-exempt reason, click Add Tax-Exempt Reason. Name your reason. For example, church. Once complete, click Save and you have your new tax-exempt reason. To add a new void reason, click Void Reason. Next, click Add Void Reason. Name your reason. For example, kitchen error. Once complete, click Save. To add a new paid-in reason, click Paid In. Next, click Add Paid-in Reason. Name your reason. For example, employee overtipped. Once complete, click Save. To add a new paid out reason, click Add New Paid Out Reason. Name your reason. For example, grocery run. Once complete, click Save. To add a new over shortage reason, click Add Over Shortage Reason. Name your reason, such as count incorrect. Once complete, click Save. To add a new attach request, click Add Attach Request. Name your request, such as gluten-free. Click Save. Once you've completed your reasons, publish your changes to the POS.